Hey guys, I'm Cody Brenner, the winner of NISOD's Graphic Arts Contest. Just wanted to give you some information on the contest and how to enter. First, let's talk about your artwork. You're going to want to make sure that it's clean and easily recognizable. Always make sure to use original artwork and never use anything that's copyrighted. But above all else, make sure you have elements that can be used on multiple different marketing materials. Your artwork isn't just going to be used for the cover. It'll be used for postcards, ads, and on social media. Next, let's talk about entering your design in the contest. Make sure you save your work as a JPG, JPEG, TIFF, or EPS file. You're then going to submit your design to this link right here. And last but certainly not least, let's talk about what happens when you win. Not only do you get $1,000, but NISOD flies you out to the amazing city of Austin, Texas, and puts you up in a really nice hotel. They also give you 5 poster-sized prints of your artwork, and your college gets a free year of a NISOD membership. You also become sort of celebrity at your college. Some final words before I go. You do need to be a student enrolled through the spring 2021 semester in order to participate, and the winning design will be used to promote the conference hosted in Austin, Texas. Thank you very much, and good luck.